Hey guys, Dana here with Superior Products. Today we're going to go in and find out how to order our products at O'Reilly Auto Parts store. We are constantly getting phone calls that you guys have walked in and you can't find what you need. We're going to go in and fix that. So we do have 4 retail products that are on the shelves. We've got the Zap-It interior dressing and Dark Fury, and then of course the coverall tire dressing. Still number 1. Now that you guys have found our retail products, let's go to the counter and figure out how to get the commercial line. Hi, I'm looking to get some Superior products. Can you help me?
Yeah, I can. So to start off, of course, I'd always get the store manager, but you're in luck. I am the store manager here. The second step that I would do, of course, is getting the line code of the Superior products, which is SCP. Now, with the SCP line code, all we have to know is what product you would like and what quantity you want it in. Of course, we got it from pint size all the way up to a 55-gallon drum. Whichever you would want, we can order if we don't have it and have it either tomorrow or sometime later on this afternoon.
Awesome, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the link below. We'll see you at the next video. So now that you guys know where to find our retail products, let's go over and learn how to order the commercial products. Dang it.
So we have it all the way from a 5. Oh.
Well, it's not just me.
Oh man.